Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you the YCAR magnetic car phone holder. And honestly, this little device might just become your new best friend on the road. If you're tired of your phone sliding around your dashboard or getting in the way while driving, stick around because this could be exactly what you need. Let's start with the basics. This is a magnetic phone mount designed specifically for your car's dashboard. It's incredibly compact and minimal, which I absolutely love. The build quality feels solid right out of the box, and the adhesive mounting system is super strong and reliable. The magnetic system is where the magic happens. The holder uses powerful magnets that securely grip your phone without any wobbling or movement, even on bumpy roads. What's great is that it works with virtually any smartphone, regardless of size. You just attach the included metal plates to the back of your phone or phone case, and you're good to go. The mounting process takes maybe 2 minutes, and the metal plates are thin enough that you won't even notice they're there. Installation is straightforward. The adhesive base sticks directly to your dashboard, and it's strong enough to hold even larger phones without sliding. The dashboard adhesive has been tested to work in various temperatures, so whether you're driving in summer heat or winter cold, it stays put. One feature I really appreciate is how easy it is to remove your phone. With one hand, you can simply pull your phone away from the mount without fumbling around. This is perfect for when you need to answer calls or navigate without the phone mounted. The minimalist design means it doesn't clutter your dashboard or obstruct your view. It's sleek, understated, and looks professional in any vehicle interior. The compact size makes it ideal for smaller dashboards. Performance-wise, this mount doesn't interfere with your phone's GPS, charging, or any other functions. Your phone stays cool because there's no suction cup blocking ventilation. For the price point, the YCAR magnetic car phone holder offers fantastic value. You're getting a reliable, durable product that solves a real problem for drivers. If you've been searching for a simple, effective phone mount that won't break the bank, this deserves serious consideration. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you've tried this product. See you in the next video.
In the morning, I wake up feeling no pain. Long stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty on one side. Back in the sheet, only place I can hide. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. Sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it close the curtain, sweating, shaking all over. Imagine you're here, I'm looking up at the door. I'm a better man with your love than without. Stuck in the seal, may never make it out. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah, only your love, only your love. Only your love. just a little. Take me along the way. Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better man with your love than without. In the cell, I may never make it out. And in the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary. Only your love's gonna make it right. Only your love, only your love. 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 Only your love, only your In the morning, I wake up feeling no pain.